Okay, we are coming to example 3, where you realize the angles that we are using for the range lies between negative 180 to 180. Okay, you may not be familiar with such question, but don't worry, I'm quite certain you will get used to it. Remember, you start from 0. So in the first and second quadrant, it ranges from 0 to 180 degree. And it stops there for the positive angles. Similarly, alright, for the last and the third quadrant, you'll be backward from 0 to negative 180 degree itself. Okay, so please be mindful, these are the 4 quadrants that you're dealing with. Now, let us get started with 3a. Okay, look at the question in 3a. Sine cube x is equal to 8 cosine cube x. Do you notice that there are no common terms? There are no way we can factorize. Only when there are no common terms, there are no way you can factorize. The easiest way is to divide by a trigonometry term so that it's easier for you to solve. Make a wise choice. Would you like to divide by sine cube x or cosine cube x? I think your choice is the same as mine. I will divide everything throughout by cosine cube x. Why? Because in this case, I will get sine cube x over cosine cube x, which is equal to 8. Sine over cosine will give us a tangent. So in this case, it will be a tangent cube x is equal to 8. Take note, tangent cube x is the same as tangent x, the whole term to the power of 3. So if we want to find out the value of tangent x, you have to cube root on both sides. You'll get the value of 2 on the right hand side. So now, we are ready to find the reference angle. Tangent inverse of 2. Same thing in your degree mode. You'll get 63.4 degree. Okay, because tangent is going to be positive, it means it will lie in the first quadrant as well as the third quadrant. If it lies in the first quadrant, your value of x will be 0 plus the reference angle. If it lies in the third quadrant, it must be negative 180 plus the reference angle. I say again, it will be negative 180 plus the reference angle. So in this case, you will get negative 116.4 degree. And there you have it, the 2 answers are clearly shown in 3 part A.